Do you run a business but want to save some time and money? You're watching the right video. While some entrepreneurs put their business processes on autopilot and enjoy doing the things they like, others don't and spend their precious time on the things that don't require their participation per se. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can grow your business on autopilot. No magic. Stay with us. All right, let's say you have a business, but how do you grow it? Increase profits and attract customers. It's all about promoting a business, driving traffic, and making it grow permanently. Sounds difficult? Actually, there is nothing complex about it. However, this can be a time-consuming process. Even when you've started a business and put it on track, you'll have to spend some time on your business promotion on a daily basis. But the thing is that you can automate certain tasks. Not all of them require your direct participation. For example, re-engaging your customers, offering them hot deals, upselling, and cross-selling. Successful business owners tend to delegate such tasks, turning to more important issues. This will let you save tons of time and generate profits with no hassle. If you want to build a strong business and take it to the top, you need to focus your efforts on what you can do. It's physically impossible to grasp every aspect of the business. They say that technologies will substitute humans in the work field. Well, automated promo tools indeed substitute a team of marketers. Marketing automation software follows the algorithms that are proven to be efficient and drives traffic to your website, increasing your revenue, while freeing you from any annoying tasks, allowing you to do what you love. Does it sound interesting? Consider Promo Tools by Sellvia. They are designed with the idea not only to save your time as much as possible, but to turn your store into a powerful, sales-generating machine without even lifting a finger. You get the ultimate set of tools which will take care of such important marketing tasks like upselling and cross-selling, increasing average order value, customer re-engagement and retainment, analytics and paid promotion on social media platforms. With the Promo Tools bundle, you indeed can enjoy higher conversion rates by creating a sense of urgency and motivation to buy as soon as possible and sending automatic emails. It'd be impossible to leave your store and not buy something. Your order value will increase. Each e-commerce store owner strives to bring as many customers to the website as possible. Next thing is hassle-free use. Marketing automation tools do the job for you, allowing you to save your time and energy. However, most of them are really hard to use, let alone to adjust to. With Promo Tools by Sellvia, you don't need to have IT experience or some specific skills. We'll install each tool on your website and make sure it works properly. To help you get the best results possible, our marketing experts will adjust all the promo tools you need to start, and even if you later need to use the advanced tools to make the most of your paid promotion. You can always contact us and we'll adjust them for you as well. By the way, don't forget that we also have our free marketing academy that will answer all of your possible questions. See the link in the description. You won't ever be alone. Free support is at your service 24/7. You'll be able to contact us at any moment and ask your questions regarding promo tools. Grow your business on autopilot with Sellvia. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. Suggest new topics for the videos, ask questions, and leave your feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. See you!